Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher, and today we're on the all-new 2026 Harris 230 Solstice. I'm going to take you around the interior of this boat and show you all the great features that it has to offer. So as you can see in this aft section, this is loaded with a ton of different features, but one of my favorite is this expansive sun pad area. It's going to give you a great lounge spot and a perfect area to hang out with your friends and family out on the water. Do have a movable backrest here as well, so you can lay this down and give you a full length sun pad, or you can have it up, have it forward facing while you're underway. Back here on your port and starboard side, you do have two fender holders, stainless steel, so you're going to give you easy access to your fenders when you need them most. Also, this boat does come equipped with a ski tow bar. This is tube rated, so you can ski, wakeboard, and tube off that ski tow bar. Boat is powered by a Mercury 250 horsepower engine, so it's going to be plenty of propulsion to get you anywhere you're looking to go out on the water. Making our way into the cockpit of this boat, as you can see, you have a beautiful wraparound seating area here. Plenty of space for all your friends and family, a bunch of different seating arrangements that you can do. This is also going to be where your battery switches are located. This area is also going to be equipped with plenty of JL audio speakers and cup holders to really elevate your experience while you're in the boat. Making our way up to the helm, as you can see, this is a raised helm, fiberglass. It's going to give you a great view over the bow of the boat, even while you have some people sitting up there. Very plush seating. You're going to have a 8-inch Simrad along with your gauge clusters. That's going to have all your navigational features as well as your engine functions. And over there on the right side, you'll have your digital throttle and shift, which is going to have your push to start and active trim. As you can see, this boat does have a fiberglass tower, which really elevates the look of the boat while also giving you some great sun coverage here in the cockpit. Making our way up to the bow, you do have a center storage here. This is going to be equipped with a bilge, so you can throw your wet lines and life jackets in there and kick out the water. And up here, you're going to have two long bench style seats, armrests, going to give you plenty of seating options, plenty of seating for all your friends and family. Also going to be equipped with cup holders and JL audio speakers. So this is a great place to hang out while you're underway. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact Grand Lake MarineMax today. Thanks.